Dedicated school bus system for rural Jamaica will be rolled out in September this year to improve safety, reliability and affordability for students. Phase 1 is already underway with the Jamaica Urban Transit Company JUTC expanding services in Clarendon, Morant Bay and Linstead.
We will add 12 additional 45-seater buses to the already existing fleet of 10 buses, giving the Montego Bay area a total of 22 buses. Phase 2 will see 100 fully refurbished buses deployed across parishes, with 60 buses in September 2025 for the start of the new school year and another 40 buses by January 2026.
Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness says the new bus system marks a transformative step in making transportation safer, more reliable and affordable for Jamaican students.
The doors will be on the appropriate side for safety, and I think most importantly, the speed on these buses will be governed. So they won't be able to drive above a certain set speed to ensure safety of the children. On some of the buses, where there is connectivity, we will place cameras, and the collection of fares will be digital.